Alright, this is the elevator at the Syosset library. I'm getting this confused with the Plainview one. It is a Schindler with HT. I found this interesting. Here's Ethan. No handrail on this side.
That's why it looks so weird.
It probably, maybe it would have had a plan with a rear door. It might have, I don't know.
It's interesting how they put that large block.
Oh god. Yep. Oh wait.
Oh, what is that?
I didn't hear the siren, but
Where? I mean...
oh, so all that for nothing.
Just
We'll do one more.
a fire vehicle.
Yeah. Got the big speaker down there. Elevator 3.
Yeah.
You can kind of see.
Why did the giant bar on the door? Or on this
This,
side?
the thick door?
No, that.
I think that's like a sensor. No.
No,
I think
why
that.
would they put it on that side? It just, you have to put more of them on.
Alright, here we go. Let's listen. Oh, it sounds like it's low in oil. And there it goes. And that's it. And here's a little bonus for your simplex lovers. Got this panel.
So it's just, see, the only thing that has the ability to talk on it.
Yep. Well, that's it.